Hey, them people, I mean, I tell you, they live for people business. I want if it appear them. If me not shit them can,
Big up Shorty. Big up Sharika. Big up Sophia. Big up Amanda. Big up Sidem. Look at crosses girl with your life in shambles. Come off from my page, man. If you go through some stuff, work it out on your own. You know what I mean? Big up Sidem.
Yes.
Big up all of my baby mother them and big up Sidem. Now make me page this mix up, girl. Yeah. You can see said no. You can see your life is in shambles. Your baby father either not fuck you, even like a stepdaughter with your daughter, and you know I'm not talk. Don't make me, hey, come off from my page, man, it don't mix up. Remember, me can big up my baby mother them.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon beaten, as you can see, pan on the screen. Yeah, the story complete. Right now, Shorty just break silence after the whole heap of bagga that go on the other day because Cartel have to come out and let the world know. True, when they used to bitter baby daddy, bitter baby mama, trauma. And that's not what we're getting with them. As you can see, he liked the comment. A post that I posted about him, you know, dissing up some people, you know, inquiring about his and not theirs. You feel me? I don't know who for stepdaughter business they might talk about some people that sleep with and all of them think they sound like CMR. I don't know, and they put in the comment section. But nevertheless, let's get to some real news. Yeah, not people bedroom views. As you know, L.A. Lewis is talking about Brown Man's situation. And some people call him up and I tell him the real situation. It sounds like police slap him where, you know. You know what I mean? Because, you know, Babylon the same slap with himself. And all of these things, you know. But where I'll get some intricate details. So that's like I can share the video from now. And we proceed at the end.
And none at all, because of that, me see.
No, man, they're not mixed. Them and live on their partner so much here going on. And if you listen to the people, they say, that man need to talk. They just really shoot smile and down about his business.
Yeah.
So
the other two youth now what they're par with Eggy now. So bro man that touch him up because him feel like they would have rush him.
No man, I told them laugh when Brown Man tell him about if it was something man and they put the boy.
Oh, so them a laugh off from Brown Man too?
Yeah, so them a laugh and so come in touch them.
Yeah. So it's like the three of them are taking for clown.
Yeah, because the next man them a laugh.
Yeah. And that's how Eggy drive off now and go crash down on my boy Arthur place.
Yeah, my drive himself by the hospital and crash.
Yeah. Alright, so so Brown Man another troublemaker. And that's why the police them they never want to really kill him neither.
But to a mere hearing and the police them kill him.
Oh. And the police them kill him. Oh, him kill. Oh, him kill himself.
Yeah, man, him kill himself. But the police get Brown Man, him slap himself.
Oh, him slap with himself.
Yeah, man, the police don't get no slap on him.
Oh. So like him say him now going alive.
No way, now going alive.
So see people, so overall in the people, Brown Man never really want to shoot no police neither. Because remember you know.
No man, you know the fun that man, I don't know police you want to shoot, man. I just to the police, but when they shoot the police, one police did better with a gun. And the police call the investigation and then as upon they're coming from it.
Oh, so the police did up on the scene without no gun and the police trail him.
Yeah, and call back up and something like himself in the building.
Yeah. So New York go people. So Brown Man never really want to kill the police them neither people because remember say him is a marksman, you know. But he may show them same can hold them off.
He not shoot at the police.
He does a shoot shot for hold them off.
The man shot in a man. So he not shoot at the police. I just an example him at the police and say they come on with them a gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you don't know the law force. You can be that on the law.
Yeah, so the police have now go left.
But other police them beat him still.
Yeah. Where you just say your squad?
I know the police and beat him, I kill himself.
So see people, a brown man kill himself. So,
I'm the police and beat him.
and I saw them could have gone at the house now.
Yeah, they could have drawn the green and go inside and I'll take the body up and then go with it.
Yeah.
I remember, like, you know what something, when they go there and when the road see you, you know.
Gun load said and thousand a gunshot in the house.
Yes, like I'm shot you out and police kill him. Kill himself and police go take a body.
Alright, so when I was a gunshot, we said thousand egg egg in the house.
Yeah, really.
Whole heap of egg in the house left. Cause one of my police squad did tell me sir when they reach 2,000 egg, I know egg can't stop count.
Yeah, I know, and they can't do. I don't finish the final count yet.
Until now, the fish final count yet. Yeah, man. Alright. So you are going now. So you're coming to Shantytown, yes, alright?
Right away.
Alright, so as you reach.
They are dripping up forward.
Alright, so as you reach in, just give me a link.
Yeah, now do that.
Yeah, man.
Right
We shall have you, my brother.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, man. Honorable.
Yeah.
So, on the seat, people. Remember, you know, another prime minister govern the country, people. I may govern the country. I may pay the police and the real money, people. Yes, and I may big up the police. So, people, the police have brown man as a good youth. And remember, you know, people, brown man just have fire pierce scatter shot for tell him, so go on the yard, no man, I left me, no man. So, me glad to go, people. And brown man kill himself, people. So, the police have no SWAT team never kill brown man, people. So, this is a well-known businessman, people. And between me and people, him is also a police to people. So, it's a police list / a well-known businessman, people. Yeah, so I'm going to have to call him name. And then, look later now, people, me go talk to one of brown man cousin. So brown man never originally born in a girl devil people, man devil. Brown man born in a man tigger beer people. Brown man went into Canada people when he was 17 years old. See people, don't rap with me, the emperor this. That's why you see the police man is after working, I say, Emperor, tell me what kind of news I got. And I say, alright, this and that and that. So you see it, people. So even the police and people need the emperor for help finish up the case. Now, brown man born in a place, reincarnate in a place called Adelphi. So big up all my Adelphi people, I'm in a man to go be Adelphi, big up on yourself. Yes, son, champion on the race, brown man on the race. So brown man go America people when he was go Canada when he was 17 people. Brown man did also involve in the robbery of a Brinks. For sure, say brown man are one of them man the people have made upon him body. Brown man rob a Brinks in a Canada people. And we have the documents, we can tell which day the Brinks rob. Brown man drop a jail people after he robbed the Brinks. Brown man drop back in a Jamaica 14 years now people. So 14 years now brown man down a girl devil people. So the big apartment people owned by brown man mother. Big giant apartment people. So brown man have a big giant part over here so and another part over there so. So brown man mother own the apartment and she's very sick now people. So me go see if me can get an interview with her people but she's very sick right now people plus that thing a shake her up people. So me say mama big up yourself. So people they look at thiefing boy them now people. You see what me tell us them look petty thief there? Them look at thiefing dirty boy people. Go take the man egg them people and take the man rooster, the man fall. I wonder if you understand what I say. After the boy them got thief the man rooster and the man egg them people. 200 rounds of egg the man they take from the man people. That are over about much a 12 12 egg roll in a crate. So that over about 10 crate, 10 crate of egg the boy thief from the man. Then the man send back for the egg people. The man send back for him egg, you know. And say, my boy, I want to send my rooster come, no man. I don't know them end up with the rooster people. But it was heard that brown man give them some money people because them say them can't get the egg them for buy people. I don't know what brown man they plan for people. But them go buy the egg people because them can't get the egg wholesale. So the real egg them people was just a front. That's when them are carrying the iron egg them. A man can say, oh, egg may sell. But not the egg people. Egg was just a front. What for that? I want to on the know go on. I want to know go on here. No, know go on. Oh, the rag there, man. The massive. No. The egg people. Or they can call in for the program if you don't want to talk about it, you know. Now, 1876-7734-594. How does I call, man? Yeah. My lord, me not sell no spirit. You don't have money for buy it. I can't put the man spirit in that ring, my lad. So I just get collect the man's spirit. I want the man. My lad, come off from my phone, man. Bumba clot. See me tell them people face the people. Me just go collect the spirit and then he may come to me say I buy spirit. He have money for buy a brown man spirit. You know, so some man takes a power ring or some joke thing. Oh, me if I put brown man spirit in a ring for that look you that yeah. Him can't even afford a gathering. Go and go that. Listen me. You know, so I'm going to block him people. I'm going to block him, you know. Hold on there. Because from yesterday, this idiot that called me, you know. And I may tell the man, so I'm not selling no spirit, you know. Oh, you go and block now. Alright. No, I'm not blocking him on WhatsApp. I'm going to block him on the straight call. Because I'm going to block him. Because if I block it, see that? Miss call again and the man call back, you know. They're going to block him. When I'm thinking now, delete, enable, total call, settings, block. See that? Go to settings and go to block. Alright, see that? Go to settings and block. I'm blocking people. From yesterday, this idiot that called me about, yo, you sell brown man spirit. Yo, how much money? I didn't tell him, I don't know some broke people. Because the same idiot of people. I charge him last year for normal ring people. And him owe me money. Now he call me now from America. What buy brown man spirit? He can't buy brown man spirit. Go run for my lad. You check some look at my broken hungry. Anyway, people, come on for that back now. No. This boy you know. Take the man gun, take the man foul. Thief the man rooster people. You understand? I say to the man, I tell you say silent river run deep. And I tell him all the while say silent river run deep. But through Alfonso AK Brown man is a calm youth people. But you know so, sometimes when you see the man them calm people, the man they dangerous, you know. The man them dangerous. That's why you see now people. Listen man. See that? I tell you say Alfonso spirit is a very powerful spirit people. See that? People put him up on phone call now. See that people? Look here. See that is a man this call me this man people look here. You see who up on the phone? A brown man on him phone people. See that now? A brown man offers him DP, you know, $200 bill, you know. You see it? And them money are top man the people. The money are a broke pocket man. A brown man him offers for him DP, you know. And them money are businessman people. Cause me not to sell poor people ring, my lad. I pay top people, I sell ring and do spiritual work for car. The poor, me not say I don't work for poor people. But when I work for poor people, when them owe you the money, them don't want to pay you. want to pay you. Because them have a poor mentality also too. How does that call me now? Take the phone off for silent, you know. Greetings.
Yeah, I'm a phone away.
Me don't know me have a phone, I don't think so, but me go look at the car. But me never me show you now.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the phone off for silent.
Yeah, it's a mystery. And if you want more bagger and mix up, do the right thing and subscribe to all of my platform them and swing pan my boom by news, you know what. You feel me? Hit the notification bell as well and press all there for you be notified whenever we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.